So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get Lovable Pro in free of cost, how you can upgrade your Lovable to Pro version in absolutely no cost. Now here you can see this 1 year Lovable for absolutely free of cost. Now if I will click on redeem, then I can redeem this offer. Now this offer is from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is providing you this opportunity to get the Lovable for free for 1 year. But as I mentioned you in the beginning, I will tell you how you can get this in absolutely free of cost. So for this, what you have to do, you just have to create a LinkedIn page, or if you already have, then it's well and good. Now you see this, there is this offer, try premium for zero. What you can do, you can just start your premium for 1 month. It's also zero, so that means you don't have to pay any money. After you start the premium, you have to click a option there. I will show you the option. After you activate your LinkedIn premium, you will get this option, premium features. So you have to simply click on this thing, scroll down. Now here you see this, here all these offers are there. YouTube premium, Lovable, Headspace, Notion Business, NordVPN. So you can just enable all of these offers absolutely free of cost. So the process is very simple. Just get yourself a LinkedIn premium. After it, you will get the options. Now from that option, click on redeem and you can just redeem the offer. And I want to tell you this thing, that if you don't want to keep your LinkedIn premium, then make sure to disable the auto pay. Otherwise, after your free subscription will be end from the LinkedIn, the recurring payment can be charged. So better disable it. But this doesn't mean that if you disable your LinkedIn premium, then your Lovable premium will be also disabled. There is nothing like this. Once you activate the Lovable premium, it will stay for 12 months even if you have disabled LinkedIn premium. So there is no link with this thing. So I hope you like this video. This is a secret trick which many people I think don't know about this thing. So if you found this video helpful and this video has helped you to save some money, then definitely you can give this video a like and do subscribe this video for more videos like this.